Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Gusty's Plants, and I have another tea video for you guys. This is from DAVIDsTEA. Unfortunately, they put the label on my box, but it is from DAVIDsTEA, and this is their new subscription box called the DAVIDsTEA Tea Club subscription box. So it's a quarterly box, meaning that you will get 4 boxes for the whole year. Every 3 months, so every 3 months you get a box. And the content of each box is worth $35. So let's go ahead and check out what I got for my first box of, I think this is the box from winter, right? So let's go ahead and check the unboxing. First of all, nice blue color. Oh, wow. First of all, nice blue color, which is David's brand color. And we're gonna go ahead and see what we got on this month. So the first thing I see here is the Tea Tasting Club. I'll do a little close-up of that. So the Tea Tasting Club. And this, I guess, gives you information about DAVIDsTEA. Get welcome to our Tea Tasting Club. Let's get to the tea. Very cool. So this kind of gives you a sneak peek. Oh, okay. So it gives you information about the teas, what teas you're getting, and then just brief information on the taste, the ingredients, if you like this tea, what other tea you might like. I feel like that's really cool. But yeah, so anyways, so let's go ahead and get started with the teas for this box. So not only are they gonna send teas, but they also say that they're gonna send you 8 different blends from their lineup, and they're also gonna include some teaware. For this month, we got this little matte blue. This is one of their tea tins to collect, put your loose leaf teas in. That's really cool. You guys know I love loose leaf tea, so I'm very happy that I got this. I really like the color. It's like a matte blue, and it has like a engraved DAVIDsTEA logo in here, which I think that's really nice too. And at the top of it says, official Tea Tasting Club member. Okay, that's a really nice size, guys. This is a really good size. So I'm very excited, and I'm really happy that I got this as part of the tea member club. That's really cool. Really cool, really excited. But now, the moment I've been waiting for, the teas. So there's 8 different blends in here, and let's just get started. I guess I'll be leaving the box right here. So the first one here, it's the Organic Cold 911 Room 911 Biologique. This is in French and in English. I took French for like 3 years, so I do know a little bit of French. So this is a soothing mint tea relief, soothing tea. Really nice. Let me see. The ingredients on this tea, this one has organic peppermint, organic apple, organic eucalyptus, organic juniper berries, organic natural orange oil, natural flavoring, and natural peppermint oil. Okay, so it's a very nice herbal minty taste tea, which I like those kind of teas. Actually, it doesn't have any caffeine, it's just an herbal tea. So very excited, very happy. It does have peppermint and eucalyptus and orange, so it's gonna be kind of like a citrusy minty tea. That's really cool. All right, the next tea that I have here is the DAVIDsTEA Salted Caramel Oolong Tea. And let me look at I like the color of this one. It looks really nice. So the ingredients on this one have oolong tea, caramel bits, sugar, condensed milk, glucose syrup, whole milk, sugar crystals, pineapple, carob, chicory root, artificial caramel flavoring, salt. Alright, so this one, it's an oolong tea, and I love oolong tea. Oolong is kind of like a mixture of like green tea and black tea mixed in, to put it in one perspective. It has caramel, and I love caramel teas as a latte, so I'm thinking that I will probably be trying this one as a latte. I'm very excited to have this one. So really cool. DAVIDsTEA, so far so good. The next one that I have here, it kind of has the same color as the previous one, which I'm kind of bummed out because the colors are the same, but that's just a little detail. So this one here is the Sunny Sea. This one here says that it need a little immune booster. This vibrant tea is bursting with freshly squeezed orange, sight-saving carrot, and a sunny dose of vitamin C. This one here has apple, hibiscus blossoms, candied pineapple, orange peel, natural orange carrot flavoring, lemon peel, rose pepper, and ascorbic acid. Seems like another iced tea, which this is the second one we got in this box. So when I'm looking for David's tea, I don't look for iced teas. I look for their hot, sweet, syrupy teas. So I'm kind of like, why am I getting iced teas? But I mean, I haven't tried it. Maybe I will like it. Moving on to the next tea, we got the Organic Lemon Lullaby Citron Bon Nuit Bajolique. I suck at French. Anyway, so this one here has a mellow yet intensely relaxing blend with valerian, lemon oil, and vervain. I don't like teas that have valerian flower in it because I just think that they have like a kind of like a nasty note. I don't like that flower in my teas. I much rather have like a lemon chamomile blossoms, or maybe like rose petals. So the ingredients in this one have organic green rooibos, organic apple, organic vervain leaf, organic licorice root, organic lemongrass, or organic lemon peel, and organic lemon oil, and organic marigold blossoms. Surprisingly, the ingredients don't have the valerian flower, but it is listed on the description, so that's kind of weird. I had to try this one out, but it seems like another herbal tea. This next one here is pink, and this one is the Sweet Tart Cherry Diamant. This one here is this juicy blend of cherries, hibiscus blossoms, and candied hearts with Totally Still Yours. This one here has apple pieces, raisins, cardamom. I'm not gonna read the ingredients anymore. I'm just gonna read you guys the title and what the description of it on the back. I've never had this tea before. I've read really bad reviews on this one that it tastes like a cherry medicine. So we'll see how this goes. There's 3 teas left, and the third to last is the organic Japanese Sancha tea. Really nice color. I like the color of this. This should have been green because it's a green tea. So this one here is Sancha is Japan's most popular drink for a reason. It's refreshing, revitalizing, and utterly delicious. This one is hand-picked, so I'm very excited. I love genmaichas, and I love Japanese green teas because they're so relaxing and soothing, and I'm really excited to try this one. I've never had DAVIDsTEA green tea, so I'm very excited to have this. It's just a plain green tea, soothing, relaxing, very excited. The next one I have here, this one is the Strawberries and Cream Fraîches de la Crème. This one here is an incredibly sweet, refreshing strawberry and cream flavored tea. I love this tea. We had at my old job, we had a tea. It was a green tea, strawberries and cream green tea. Delicious. This one I'm excited to try since I've never had before. I cannot wait to smell it and be blown away. I'm excited. Really happy. Really nice color, strawberries and cream. It's, you know, like a strawberry color, so that's really nice. And the last tea, guys. The last tea we have here, it's the Morning Detox. Detox du matin. Matin means morning in French, if you guys didn't know, but you guys probably do now. Or so yes, a lot of people don't like detox teas because they're like, you know, skeptical, or they're like, they're not good for you. However, I've noticed that for me, detox teas, I don't drink them because of the detoxifying properties. I drink them because of the taste. There tend to be an herbal tea with like mint and herbs, and I like the ingredients on detox teas. So I really like this, and I don't think I'm gonna die by drinking detox tea. You know what I mean? So I'm very excited to try this one out. The Morning Detox. Very cool. Okay guys, overall I am very happy with the box for the first month. I think if you're new to teas and you're wanting to try some nice teas from DAVIDsTEA, if you haven't tried DAVIDsTEA before, it's a really good subscription to try out because you get to try different blends, and you get to try different blends, and because you get to, you know a little bit more about the tea. And something that I actually really like was that you get this little booklet that gives you more information about the teas and everything that you need to know about the teas, the ingredients, the steeping time. That's very cool. And I actually like the little tin here. I found that this was very, very nice. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this box. Did you get this box? Are you happy? Are you sad? Should it, what part did you not like? Or just let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, and kapong arigatou gozaimasu.